You've probably seen these types of tiny worker food-making videos. They're incredibly satisfying to watch, and people really enjoy them. The best part is, creating videos like these is actually very simple using free AI tools. Watch the full video, and by the end, you'll be able to create your own videos easily. First, go to Claude AI and paste this master prompt. The link is in the description. Then, hit enter. Claude will give you 10 different categories. Choose any one. I'm choosing category number 5. Now, Claude will give you 10 unique video ideas for that category. Choose any one you like and hit enter. Now, select the video duration. I'm selecting 20 seconds for this tutorial and hit enter. Then, choose the aspect ratio. I'm making a short, so I'm selecting 9:16. After that, Claude will give you 2 scenes. Scene 1 will have an image prompt and a video prompt, while Scene 2 will have only a video prompt. Watch the full process carefully so you don't miss any steps. First, copy the image prompt from Scene 1 and go to Flow AI. Paste the prompt here. Select these settings and hit enter. After a few seconds, your image will be ready. Now, go back to Claude and copy the video prompt from Scene 1. Come back to Flow AI and click the 3 dots on the image you generated. Select Add to Prompt and paste the video prompt. Now, select these settings for video generation. Choose OmniFlash as the model. Select 720p and set the duration to 10 seconds. Then hit enter. After a few moments, your video will be generated. Now, click on the generated video and go to the last frame. Click Save Frame to save the last frame. Next, go back to Claude and copy the Scene 2 video prompt. Come back to Flow AI and click the 3 dots on the saved frame. Select Add to Prompt, paste the Scene 2 video prompt, and hit enter. And that's it. Your 20-second video is ready. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.